Okay, we're live. It's 22 June 2026, right? About to finish. We didn't even start. Wait. Has this thing been on all this time? Wait. How long has this thing been live? I have no idea. Okay, well, I've been live. I didn't start it. I don't remember starting it, so you see me just fumbling around here. I'll tell you what, I'll finish. Well, okay, well, this is a goof, right? So we'll just upload the goof. Okay, so let me get this. Okay, I'm just zooming in my camera here. Evidently, I started the other thing sooner, but okay, so here, let me. Don't remember turning this thing on, but it's been on, so I'm just gonna, well, that's about as good as I can get right there, okay? What you're looking at in the background is the specifications for this unit. Mark Winton is watching. Whoopee. Well, I didn't know that I turned this thing on, but evidently it's on. So anyway, without further ado, this opens really slow. Okay. I think it stopped. No, it's still going. Okay, look. Opens all that way, all right? Doesn't do anything. Still doesn't do anything. Won't do anything at all, right? Fine. And then the power is on, okay? So this is the battery check dial light, right? Can you see the difference there? I don't know if you can see that, but here, I want to take it like this with this camera here. Give me this. Alright, so on this here, so you can see it up close. So I can see it up close, right? So okay, so when you press this button right here, see it comes on? So it's so faint. And then over here, it does, wait, can't see in the, oh, it's so hard to see. On, off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on. Okay, so it's just so faint. And of course the tape player doesn't work. Now the radio does work. It's on the on position, right? So it's on radio, right? So if we run up the volume, okay, and we tune it a little bit, and if we, well, oh, we got to hit a station, that's right. So we got to, what?
In a beautiful picture tonight. He's not the starter.
Anyway.
Why? He's the opener. Tyler Alexander.
Okay, I'm enough tired of this. I'm going to tear it apart. I've got pictures. I've already started working on this thing here, so I'll just show you some pictures. Wait, where is it? Don't know. Is that it? That's not it. Here we go. Open. So there. So we started taking pictures of this thing today, or yesterday. There, that, this, that, this. Yep. Okay, that's it. Good day, bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Gotta go. Bye-bye.